Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is National Research Foundation Bill 2023. First we will see what is research status in our country. What is the developments in research in our country? At least 2% of the national GDP has to be allocated to the research and development sector. But India is allocating only 0.8% of the GDP or nowadays to 0.65% of the GDP to the research and development. It is India's allocation percentage. And comparing to the other countries, India is contributing very low in the research and development. Among all the universities, only 1% of the universities in India are participating in the activities of research and development. And 18% of the women are in the scientific research in India, while global average is 33%. So to overcome all these drawbacks, on the recommendation of the National Education Policy, Cabinet chaired by the Prime Minister given permission to introduce National Research Foundation Bill 2023 in the Parliament, and this bill will give the strategic direction to the scientific research in our country. We will see some key points about the bill. If bill will pass, National Research Foundation will be established as an apex body in the field of research and development, and this will be established on the estimation amount of 50,000 crore for the period of 2023 to 2028. And this body will focus on creating policy framework and increasing spending on the scientific researchers, and it will ensure the greater participation of the private sector in the research and development sector, and it will create collaborations among the industries, academics and government departments and research institutions. And National Research Foundation will be administered by the Department of Science and Technology, which will come under the Ministry of Science and Technology, and NRF will be governed by Governing Board. So we'll see the constitution of this Governing Board. Prime Minister will be ex officio President of this governing body, and Ministry of Education and Ministry of Science and Technology will be ex officio Vice President of this governing body. This governing body also includes the eminent researchers and professionals required. And functions of this National Research Foundation will be governed by Executive Council, which will be chaired by Principal Scientific Advisor, administered by Department of Science and Technology, governed by governing body, and governing body consists of all these things, and functions are governed by Executive Council. And also this bill will repeal the Scientific Engineering Research Board, which was established by the Act of Parliament in 2008, and NRF will undertake all the functions related to Science and Engineering Research Board. Thank you guys. That's it for today. We will meet in next video.